We got the Clot Air Maxes.
Really cool shoe in my opinion. I really like the color. Did we check out? We did check out on Valor. Oh, we just checked out Prism. Let's go, Prism. Payment. Oh, checked out on Valor. Let's go. Checked out again on Valor. Checked out on Mech. Let's go, Mech. Checked out again on Valor. Checked out on Prism. Let's go. Mech with another checkout. Checked out on Dashy. Yes. Let's go, Mech. So I want to talk about this Jordan 1 mid chili restock that we've been checking out these past few weeks. We had a pretty crazy night on Storm on March 25th. That morning at 1 a.m. You guys can check out the webhook. It's going to be on the screen right now. You can see we started getting checkouts in, and I believe the first round it logged in the webhook around 21, something like that. I say logged because even though it logged this many pairs, that is not how many we checked out. We actually checked out a lot more pairs than that. We had a pretty crazy night, but DSG did oversell pretty bad. But we actually ended up with 149 checkouts on the night. Very crazy amount of checkouts. A lot of them did get canceled, just like most people. We checked out. Let's go. Checked out on Valor. Let's go, Valor. Let's go.
What's up, everybody? We're here for these Jordan 5 Stealths. I'm going to be running some slots for them. Also going to be running for the Air Maxes on Kith. We'll see if we can get any pairs. And here we go. Whoa, no way. Yo. We got the Clot Air Maxes. No way. Oh, we checked out somewhere. Did we check out? Oh, we checked out on Mech. Let's go, Mech. And Valor. Oh, we checked out on Cage, too. Checked out on Valor. We were able to hit 3 pairs of the Nike Dunk Low orange pearls. Then we were able to get 2 of those Yeezy 700s off Yeezy Supply. We were able to hit an All-Star Dunk that restocked the other day, and then a Jordan 1 mid paint drip that restocked the other day. So I only thought I checked out 2. Alright, so we got 3 on Valor. Checked out on Prism. Let's go. Checked out on Champs.
Alright guys, so we have some packages here to unbox. Also, quick update. The reason that I did not post a video last week is because I slept in on the Yeezys. I completely missed them. Very upset about it, very frustrating, but we're just going to move on. Also, exciting announcement. I do want to announce the giveaway winners of our big giveaway that we had going on, our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to throw that on the screen right now for all the winners. Congratulations to all of you guys. Thank you everyone for entering. And also guys, I'm going to do another giveaway very soon because we're almost at 1,000 followers on Twitter. So if we can get the Twitter to 1,000 followers, we'll do another giveaway. We'll do a giveaway every 1,000 subscribers from here on out. That's my promise to you guys. Every 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, every 1,000 followers on Twitter. And also, hey, if you guys want to go follow the Instagram and try to get that up to 1,000, I will link it right now on the screen and in the description. So every 1,000, we'll be doing a giveaway. You'll have a chance to win amazing prizes. Once again, thank you to all of my sponsors for donating. Now let's check out some of the packages that we had come in this week. Our first package here is from DSG, courtesy of Stormy. What we have here is a Jordan 1 low and a size 3.5Y. It's really cool. Jordan 1 Court Purple. This is the 1.0 or 2.0, 1.0, I'm not sure. But this pair is actually, so I was able to snag this one for 75 bucks from DSG, plus $6 for shipping, so it comes out to about 81. And prices on these are right around 220 right now. So very good margins on these. Thank you to Stormy. Thank you to my Proxies sponsors that I use on the Storm on DSG. Joe Proxies, Vision, and then also Red Dirt Proxies, who has been doing extremely well lately on Dick's Sporting Goods. So that was our first checkout of the week. The second thing that we were able to get this week is these 3 boxes right here. And let's go ahead and unbox these and we'll just check out one pair real fast. Alright, so here we have it, guys. This is a Nike Dunk Low. This shoe came out in, I believe, early March or late February. You can see it right here. This one right here is in a size 7. All of these are in 9.5, I believe, and this is a women's exclusive Nike Dunk Low. So we were able to get 3 pairs off of a restock this past week. Really cool shoe in my opinion. I really like the color and just the detail on this shoe. Anyways, shout out to Prism for getting me these 3 pairs on the restock this past week. Also shout out to the usual Proxies, Joe Proxies, Red Dirt Proxies. Those guys have been killing it on foot sites lately. And Prism has just been destroying these restocks. So very glad that we have Prism now. So we can get all of these restocks right here. 3 pairs, very good profit on these. So shout out to Prism as well. First off, I want to touch on just the crazy release that happened this week. It wasn't even really a release. As you guys know, I've been running the chili mids on Dick's Sporting Goods. Shout out to Stormy. And I believe it was Wednesday night. It was March 25th, that morning. We had 149 checkouts on DSG. I can throw up a screenshot right now of the emails that we got and everything. Unfortunately, DSG way oversold that night. We had some people in Stormy's Discord group who had over 600 checkouts, and I believe most of them got canceled. Last time I checked, out of our 149, we had less than 20 remaining that hadn't been canceled. So we'll just have to see how many pairs ship out to the bulk buyer. But anyways, Storm's just killing it on DSG, so shout out to them. Next release that we had was the Yeezy 700 V3 Kai Nights. Very interesting shoe in my opinion. We don't have any for the personal on the way, but we did get 11 checkouts. So shout out to the usual bots. But a new bot that really cooked for us on those was AdvantageIO. Now, once again, I just want to give a shout out to Seoul US, the cook group that has also allowed me to run Prism. They also got me in the AdvantageIO competition. So AdvantageIO cooked on Yeezy Supply. We had 11 checkouts that day. Also, Valor has been doing extremely well on Yeezy Supply lately. And actually that leads me into the next release, the Yeezy Foam Runners. We got 2 checkouts on those, one for Jesus, one for me, and both came on Valor. Valor did extremely well on Yeezy Supply, and guys, I think Valor is going to be one of the top Yeezy Supply bots very soon, if not already. Another pair that we were able to get yesterday was the Nike Dunk High All-Stars. Those were restocking a little bit on foot sites. Shout out to Prism and Red Dirt Proxies for allowing us to pick up one more pair of those. So that one will be coming in next week. We'll be able to unbox it. Last thing I want to touch on is the Jordan 5 Stealths that released today, actually Saturday, March 27th. We had 12 checkouts. We were running for some of the buyers. No pairs for me for personal. But I had some real issues today with my webhook, and bots not logging checkouts. As you guys saw in the live COP footage, we got 12 checkouts today using Prism, Cage, Mech, and Valor. Shout out to Cage and Raffy, by the way. They're on the come up again. That team's going to be doing amazing things here pretty soon. But Joe, Vision, Red Dirt Proxies, they killed it today. But the checkouts were not logging on the webhook for some reason, and that went for all bots that I was using.
That's going to do it for this episode of Resell Life, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching to the end. If you haven't already, be sure and subscribe to the channel and like this video and comment down below. It really helps out the video for YouTube's algorithm. And that's going to do it for us on this one. And as always, we will see you on the next one.